everyone. Feels great to have you back. So then, did y'all hear about that Arasaka aircraft carrier docked in Night City? Called Kujira, or the Whale?
Shit. You're right. Is it? Just me, or? Knew it. Van on our ass, tailing us. Chingado. I don't like this beat. Not one tiny bit. Scab! Hijo de puta!
Fucking drive, Jackie!
Come on, V! Shoot!
Can't! Keep her steady!
Hold tight, V!
Holy fuck!
Mierda! Perdón! Got you, assholes! Beep! Chingado! Scratched your baby up pretty bad. Sorry, V.
It's okay. It can wait. Let's just focus on getting home.
Raz. Basi this I was ready to marijuana. Idi Maria Mayam, ya de Miss Rihanna. I remember you was a mayam sorting. I was in a house, but I went in lady on sorting. Oh, you know, John Madison was my DM Gadale. Go make over your my top, I come a bubbling and keep one you made in Captain, but you must go.
Damn. They're pulling out all the stops.
I don't fight go to me and I'm looking at the back door. See, I'm deciding to wait on the big call.
Watson's on lockdown to further notice. Necessary security measure.
Officer, ma'am. Damn, are we ever lucky we ran into you.
Really? What's it that makes me so special?
Heart of gold? Because only somebody with a heart of gold can understand just how much I need to get back to my girl.
Your girl?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna be worried sick if I don't show. I mean, I'm trying to be a stand-up guy. She's giving me a chance. Waiting.
That's a
Look
shame.
at him. No, Mom.
Let them.
So you can be nice when you feel. Like
When am I not nice?
always?
I'm always never not nice.
look like your average bust.
'Cause they ain't your average badges. That's Max TAC. NCPD's apex predators. MTAC rolls in when things fly out of hand. Gonks out there, though. Just a midday snack for them. Well, show's over.
If you ain't heard me, yeah, you missing out. Yeah, you really missing out. If you ain't heard me, yeah, you missing out. Hey, you really missing out. A day walker and a night crawler. My blade sharper and my knife.
Sweet dreams, then.
Tell Misty I said hi.
I will. Ahí luego.
Good evening, Night City. My first guest tonight is the
Bug.
Forgot earlier. A runner I know has something you could probably use. Zip in your deets.
Culver. Our Father in heaven. And our second guest is Karina Lee, host of the Chip In program, which promotes the use of cybernetic gear. Yeah, beautiful.
Can't complain, Ziggy. Thanks for having me.
I'd like us to talk about the latest exclusive.
Oh, stupid gates busted again. Third time.
You embarrassed?
Hey, this fix the last. Gotta be some kind of scam.
What is it then?
Later, right?